So what inspired you to build a robot like this that moves so well on the ground as it does in the sky?
Well, we were really looking at what animals can do and how well they move in different environmental domains. What we've noticed is that they have the ability to be both very maneuverable and agile, as well as efficient. And we don't see that out of current drones. You either have fixed-wing vehicles that are very efficient, that can travel long distances, but they're not very maneuverable inside of confined spaces. On the other hand, you have these quadrotors, other types of rotorcraft, and they're really good at being maneuverable and getting inside and moving inside these confined spaces, but their efficiency is terrible. They really only last maybe 10 to 20 minutes max. When we were building this high-tech, one of the things that we were looking at is trying to see if we could take the best of both worlds and get really long range by traveling on the ground and also have that maneuverability when we needed it.